Hi friends, it's Miss Traver, and today is April 22nd, 2020, and it is Earth Day. So for Earth Day today, I thought we would read a story about how we can help take better care of our planet. So today we're reading Go Green by Fighting Pollution. It is written by Lisa Bullard and illustrated by John Wes Thomas. Here we go. Chapter 1. The Pollution Problem. Can you see me under this mud? It's easy for me to wash up after I get dirty, but cleaning up the earth isn't so easy. Today in school, I learned about pollution, some things people do to make earth dirty. I want to make less pollution. So there's a few ideas in this picture that might help you think about how people make earth dirty. So one way is we see all of these cars driving to the city, and the cars cause pollution that make the air dirty. Another one is you can see this truck driver who's throwing his trash away on the side of the road instead of waiting to find a trash can that he can throw it away. You can see other trash is collecting down here, and there's dirty water coming out of the drains into the fresh water. So how do people clean up the earth? Chapter 2, a superpower saver. Making power can cause pollution, and we use power for many tasks, including cooking a pizza. That's my favorite. So that's a problem, unless you like uncooked pizza. I don't. My teacher says I can save power. Yes, you can. I can turn off the lights when I leave a room, or turn off the computer when I'm finished with it. How do people waste power? Chapter 3, the 3 R's. People make lots of trash. To make less trash, remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means to use less of something. I'll draw on the back of my paper. That way, I'll use half as much paper. This is what we used to do during quiet time too. We make sure that we use both sides of our paper so we're not wasting. Reuse means to use something again. So he's putting on his old jeans again so that he's not throwing them away. He keeps using them. Recycle means to change something that you don't need into something useful. Companies will make new things from my bottles, cans, and paper. So another good idea about wearing old clothes is that maybe if the clothes don't fit you, you can donate them to other kids who they will fit, or to a little brother or sister who can wear them. And we have some projects on my Schoology page today for some fun projects that you can use recyclables to make cool things, cool crafts. Chapter 4, more ways to help. My family and I ride our bikes. That way, we don't use our car. Driving cars pollutes the air. So it's easier if you live in a town or city to be able to walk places or bike instead of driving your car. So that's what they do. Did you know that trees fight pollution? They help clean the air and water. Oh my goodness, look, his dog is tangled in the hose. So it looks like this family is helping by planting some trees. That's a great idea. I've got lots of work to do to stop pollution. Maybe you could help. Why do we need clean air? So you can see he's turning off his computer. He's donating old clothes to the store called Goodwill so other people can use it. And he's helping cleaning up trash. Learn about pollution. Coal is a black or dark brown rock that people dig up. We often burn coal to make power. This makes the air dirty. We can get cleaner power from wind, water, or the sun. Your power company tells you how much power your family uses. You can check each month with a parent. See if you can help make the number go down. It's a great idea. Littering is one kind of pollution. Litter is a trash in the wrong place. Pieces of litter can be small, like gum wrapper on the sidewalk, but litter adds up. And it's dangerous if an animal eats it, because then they could get sick or hurt from the litter. Companies use recycled cans to make new cans. They can use recycled paper to make new paper. Sometimes they turn recycled plastic bottles into carpet or t-shirts. Trees take in pollution from air and water. They send out the kind of air that people need to breathe, our oxygen. So here they said, think about pollution, critical thinking, text, and feature questions. So I want you guys to take a few seconds to think about these. The first one says, do you know ways to have fun without making pollution? What items do you have that can be reused? How does the index help you read this book? So that's at the end of the story. And why does this book have chapters? That's a good question. Why do you think this book has chapters? Here's the glossary, which is words that maybe when you were reading you were unsure about. So they give you the words and the definitions. And some other ways to learn more if you want to. Some books that you could read that'll tell you more about pollution and how to help, and a website. And then here is the index. It has words that maybe if you want to go back and see them, like pollution, it tells you the page numbers that the word pollution is on, so you can go back and read those. I hope you guys enjoyed this story, and I hope that you guys will practice some ways that you can help take care of the earth and tell your family about them. Have a great day.